Hi guys, this is Abdul here, back with an tutorial. Today we'll see how to install Windows 11. So the most waited after long, for 6 years Windows has launched, finally released Windows 11. Let's start. So open VMware in workstation, home, create a virtual machine. Select Microsoft Windows 64-bit. So browse, create Windows 11 folder, give next. So I think 30 GB is enough. So customize your hardware. So before this we just will see what is the requirement for Windows 11. So here you come to this Microsoft site. So there is lot of features has been reduced here. So first we need to check about the we can able to check the compatibility version for our from our machine. So the minimum recommend systems you can see here. So here I will select a GB and processor 2. So printer no needed. Okay. So here you can select the ISO file. So here you can select the Windows 11 ISO file. Finish this one. So once you loaded the ISO file, just give power on this virtual machine. Okay, so here we see the Windows is getting loaded. So it will take some time. Next, give install. Don't have a product key. Just skip this one. So you can see the list of editions that has been given here. So I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro. Give next. Just accept the license. So select this drive, partition drive. Give next. So file is getting copied. So links will be given to download the ISO image, and you can check from my description. So we are going through the setup now. So self yes, give next. Yes, I'm skipping the layout. So this is for the personal use. Next. So basically here you can you need to sign with your Microsoft account. So I have signed it with my account. So here you will be asking to create a pin. So here you can choose the privacy settings for your device. Diagnostic data, telling experience. So just accept the default settings. So you can customize your experience as well. Gaming, creativity, family, school work, entertainment. So you can select any one of these. So let me select everything. Let's see how it looks. Giving accept. It is asking not only store my files in OneDrive or only stores files on this device. Give next. So we have completed the setup. So Windows is getting started. So finally we came into the setup. So use my Microsoft account. So you can see here. So generally the start menu is at the center. Still you can align it left or right. So what else we can see? Search, task view, widgets, file explorer, and game store. Okay. So let's check the configuration on the icons of this machine. So finally we have completed the installation. Okay. So pretty decent look. It's look cool. Okay, we have came to the end of our tutorial. So finally we came into the end of our video. So you can see here Windows 11 Pro developer version and the build. Thanks viewers, thanks for watching. If you do like this video, like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.